Namaskar and welcome to all the beautiful ladies in the house. I'm at Kanchi Mahalakshmi Silks, road number 56, Jubilee Hills. And I bought you the beautiful collection of Mysore silk sarees. Let's start with my saree. Wow, beautiful black color saree. The overall body of the saree is in plain black color. The border is highlighted with thread work with beautiful silver zari and highlighted with parrots as you can see. Let me show you the pallu. Beautiful running pallu highlighted with silver zari. Let's check the blouse now. This beautiful black saree has a beautiful blouse with silver zari border. Very pretty. Highlighted with black color thread. Booties, flower booties. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree MI343 and the price of the saree 13,499. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Our team will assist you. What a lovely color saree, multicolored, horizontal line saree, very pretty with golden zari all over the body. So elegant. Let's check the border. The border is highlighted with golden zari with diamond shape pattern. It's small booties, very pretty. Let me show you pallu. Beautiful contrast pallu they have given with flower motifs. This beautiful saree has a lovely blouse with contrast color. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful saree, let's check the present details. Code of the saree MB262 and the price of the saree 10,040. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 89000100. Let's see another beautiful saree. Beautiful dark color, royal blue color saree. As you can see, body of the saree is highlighted with leaf motifs. Very pretty with golden zari. And the border is also highlighted with golden zari with pink color combination. Very pretty, right? The lovely saree has a beautiful pallu in a diamond shaped pattern with golden zari. And it has a very beautiful contrast blouse, as you can see. To shop this saree, take a screenshot along with the details. Code of the saree MB259 and the price of the saree 11,299. Let's move on to another pretty saree. Beautiful color with elegant shade. As you can see, body of the saree is highlighted with checks pattern with golden zari. Sea green color. This beautiful saree is highlighted with very pretty border, as you can see, with small temples. Let's see the pallu now. Wow. Very elegant pallu highlighted with golden zari. The beautiful saree has a very beautiful contrast blouse, as you can see. So pretty. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code that is code of the saree MI337 and the price of the saree 11699. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Before moving to another saree, I would love to share you that we have cash on delivery available only in Hyderabad and global shipment as well. No matter wherever you are in the part of the world, we do deliver beautiful sarees from our Varamahalakshmi Silks to your doorsteps in no time. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Very lovely saree. The body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari flower motifs. orange color saree. Very pretty color. And the border is highlighted with mango motifs with golden zari. Let's check the pallu. Beautiful contrast pallu with contrast border they have given. Beautiful golden zari. This beautiful sari has a very lovely blouse, as you can see, very pretty and very elegant. To shop this beautiful sari, let's check the item code. Code of the sari MI336 and the price of the sari 11,999. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful dark shade sari. Wow. Very elegant blue color. The body of the sari is plain blue, very elegant. And this beautiful blue color sari is highlighted with the golden zari border, contrast border, very pretty. And the sari has a beautiful contrast pallu with golden zari lines. The beautiful blue color sari has a peacock blue color contrast color blouse with golden zari border, as you can see. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MI338 and the price of the sari 10,390. Let's move on to another beautiful Mysore silk. Lovely sari, as you can see, the overall body of the sari we have 3 colors. We do call it 3-step sari. Very pretty sari. And the middle of the sari is highlighted with digital print along with the golden zari. Very pretty color, right? Let's check the beautiful border. The border is highlighted with golden zari. The checks pattern. Beautiful sari has a very pretty running border with running pallu. Wow. Beautiful running blouse we have, as you can see. Very pretty with golden zari border. Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful sari. Code of the sari LO679 and the price of the sari 13,499. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Wow. Very pretty light pink color sari. As you can see, the body of the sari is plain. And the border which we have is 10-inch border highlighted with temple gap border. In between this border, it is highlighted with thread work with flower booties. Very pretty. And they have given the very beautiful running pallu with contrast color. The beautiful sari has a very lovely contrasting blouse. Let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MI340 and the price of the sari 12,099. Very lightweight, very elegant, sea blue color. The overall body of the sari is very plain, very elegant. This beautiful blue color sari is highlighted with maroon color border with golden zari. The beautiful sari has a contrast color pallu. Very lightweight. And it has a very lovely blouse with blue color sari. Very lightweight. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the saree MI352, and the price of the saree 7,610. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. The beautiful saree, the overall body of the saree has self-embroidered work. Very pretty. Beautiful off-white color. The border of the saree is highlighted with silver zari with small dot booties. Very pretty, right? And it has a very beautiful running pallu with silver zari. This beautiful saree has a very pretty blouse with silver zari of white color. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code item, that is code of the saree MI346, and the price of the saree 15,199. Very pretty maroon color saree. The body of the saree is highlighted with checks pattern. Beautiful color, right? And the border is highlighted with silver zari. The beautiful saree has a beautiful running pallu with self border highlighted with silver zari. Let me show you the blouse. They have given the beautiful running blouse with silver zari border. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI347, and the price of the saree 12,499. Let's move on to another elegant saree. As I said, it's very beautiful, very elegant. Yellow color saree. Beautiful Mysore silk saree has all over the body. It has a beautiful checks pattern with golden zari. And this beautiful yellow color saree is highlighted with golden zari border with small temples on it. Beautiful saree has a very plain, beautiful running pallu. Wow, very pretty. This very lovely saree has a very pretty blouse with golden zari border. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code item, that is code of the saree LD570, and the price of the saree 11,699. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Very elegant, very lightweight, very beautiful black color saree. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with beautiful designed mango motifs. This floral jal. This beautiful saree is highlighted with very lovely border with lines. Let's see the pallu. This beautiful black saree has a very lovely pallu, running pallu with golden zari. Let me show you the blouse now. Very pretty black color saree with beautiful running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, let's check the item code. Code of the saree MI345, and the price of the saree 15,730. Let's move on to another pretty saree. Very beautiful. This beautiful saree has a dual shade. Yellow color, plain body. Beautiful border has 10-inch. Gap border highlighted with thread work. We have a beautiful contrast running pallu with running border, contrast border. Very lovely contrast blouse to yellow color sari. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari MI344 and the price of the sari 12,099, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Beautiful Mysore silk sari, brown color sari. Overall body of the sari is highlighted with vertical lines with zari, golden zari. The beautiful sari has a very pretty border in pink color with golden zari highlighted with small mango booties. We have a contrast pallu, very beautifully designed in diamond shaped golden zari. Let's check the blouse now. This beautiful sari has a very lovely contrast blouse. Let's check the present details. Code of the sari LH931 and the price of the sari 11,399. We have another beautiful light color sari in our Mysore silks. Very, very pretty. The overall body of the sari, we have 3 pattern. Beautiful sari is highlighted with the body of print, digital print. The beautiful sari has a 3 steps highlighted with golden zari, small mango booties. This lovely sari is highlighted with this very pretty golden zari border. Beautiful running pallu they have given with elegant blouse. Very pretty, right? Now to shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari MI353 and the price of the sari 15,699, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Before moving on to another beautiful sari, I would love to share with you that we have video call facility as well. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot and ping it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, and our team will assist you. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Very elegant peacock blue color sari. The body of the sari is highlighted with silver zari lines. Very pretty. Let's check the beautiful border. The border is highlighted with silver zari, floral jal in a vertical line. This beautiful peacock blue color sari has a beautiful running pallu with silver zari. And we have a very lovely blouse, as you can see. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari MI339 and the price of the sari 12,499, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another elegant sari. Pure Mysore silk sari, very pretty color, off-white color. Overall body of the sari is plain, very elegant. This beautiful off-white color sari is highlighted with red color border with mango motifs, small mango booties. Very pretty. Let's check the pallu. Contrast pallu with contrast border. It's very beautiful. This very elegant Mysore silk sari has a very pretty blouse, as you can see. Let me show you the blouse. Very contrast, pretty color blouse. To shop this beautiful Mysore silk saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree MI351 and the price of the saree 10,220. And send it to your WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Very lightweight wine color saree. Very pretty. The body of the saree is highlighted with silver zari lines. Very pretty saree, has a beautiful silver zari border. Very pretty self border. Let's check the pallu. Lovely pallu. Beautiful running pallu. Very pretty, right? Let me show you the blouse now. This beautiful wine color saree has a plain wine color blouse. Running blouse. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI342 and the price of the saree 12,499. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Lightweight, pretty color, neon green color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari booties, dot booties. This pretty neon green color saree is highlighted with peacock blue color, very beautiful border with golden zari. It has a very contrast, very lovely pallu. Let's see the blouse. The blouse is beautifully in a contrast color, highlighted with dot booties. Very beautiful neon green color saree. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the saree MI349 and the price of the saree 9,860. And send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely sarees in our Mysore silk collection. Very pretty color, onion pink color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with silver zari lines with dotted booties, silver dotted booties. Beautiful border is highlighted with flower motifs with zari, silver zari. Let's see the pallu. This beautiful saree has a very lovely running pallu. Beautiful onion pink color running blouse we have. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI350 and the price of the saree 12,999. Let's see another saree. Wow. Very pretty combination. Royal blue color with neon green. The body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari, vertical lines. Beautiful saree has a very lovely neon green color border highlighted with golden zari with small mango booties on the border. Very beautiful contrast running pallu. This beautiful saree has a very pretty contrast blouse, green color blouse to blue color saree, very pretty. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LH944 and the price of the saree 11,399. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Gorgeous red color saree, Mysore silk saree. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with checks pattern, golden zari. This pretty saree is highlighted with lovely border, golden zari border with running pallu. Very lovely running pallu. Let's check the blouse. Beautiful plain red color blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code item. Code of the saree MI348 and the price of the saree 11,699. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another very beautiful color, that is dark green color. Very pretty color. The body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari, checks pattern as well as lines pattern. Again, we have a 3-step saree. Very pretty. Beautiful contrast border with golden zari. Let's check the pallu. This beautiful green color saree has a very lovely contrast pallu with golden zari. Let's check the blouse. Contrast blouse, red color blouse to green color saree. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the saree MI335 and the price of the saree 10,399. And send it to WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move to the last saree for today's collection, Mysore silk collection. Beautiful yellow color saree. The body of the saree is highlighted with silver dot booties. Silver zari, very pretty. Let me show you the border. The border is highlighted with silver zari, floral jewel pattern. Lovely saree has a running pallu with silver zari. And the blouse is very pretty with yellow color running blouse. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI341 and the price of the saree 12,499. For today, we have seen the beautiful collection of Mysore silk sarees. For now, it's done. For next time, I will come up with very pretty and very lovely sarees. Till then, namaskaram.
హాయ్ అండి, నమస్కారం. వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో గత 2 years నుంచి చూస్తున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ టైం మేము షాపింగ్ చేసింది సికింద్రాబాద్లో. తర్వాత ఇంకా మా చుట్టాలు వాళ్ళందరూ బాగున్నాయి శారీస్ అని చెప్పి అన్నారు. తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము. ఇప్పుడు మా చుట్టాల వాళ్ళు కూడా మళ్ళీ వెడ్డింగ్కే తీసుకున్నాము. పట్టు శారీస్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంటాయి ఇక్కడ. క్వాలిటీ వైజ్గా కానీ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ప్రైస్లో కూడా ఓకే, చాలా బాగుంటుంది.